Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to access Google Classroom and to create a new class. First, you need to sign in to your Google for Education account, and you can click on the Apps Launcher at the top right corner and click Classroom from the drop-down, or type in classroom.google.com at the URL address bar. Once you do that, you can hit Enter, and your class card page will appear. Now, if this is the first time that you're trying to log in or access Google Classroom, it's going to prompt you whether you're a teacher or a student. You must hit Teacher. If you are teaching classes, you need to select Teacher. After you do that, your Google administrator needs to add you to the Google Classroom verified teacher group in the console. So if you are not able to see the option to create classes, I would recommend contacting your Google administrator. After you are verified and you're able to see a class card page, you can create new classes by clicking the plus sign here. And all teachers should have the option to join a class and create a class. You're going to click Create a Class, give it a class name, provide a section, subject, and room number, and select Create. Once it's done processing, your class will be active and ready to go. I hope you found this screencast helpful.